Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. vTiger requires a php-mysql, PHP and additional PHP extension, so install them by running the following command. Login to MySQL with the following command. Create a database and a user for vTiger. Navigate to the page root directory with the next command. Download the latest version with the following command. Extract the archive by running the next commands. Set the correct permissions. Next, you need to configure a page. Create a new configuration file for vTiger with the following command. Add the following content. Don't forget to change the server name with your hostname or IP address. Save and exit the file, then enable the new configuration with the next commands. Now open your web browser and visit your server IP. Follow the on-screen installation wizard, provide database details, and complete the installation. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.